Indonesia reportedly has decided to double its planned acquisition of Chinese-built J-10CE multirole fighters from 12 to 24 aircraft, accelerating a profound transformation in Southeast Asia's air-power equilibrium as Jakarta expands beyond traditional Western-centric procurement dependencies. The June 1st revelation by respected aviation and defense journalist Alan Warnes immediately intensified regional scrutiny because the reported inclusion of the PL-15E Beyond Visual Range missile introduces a new long-range aerial engagement dynamic into one of the world's most strategically congested theaters. Warren stated he was reliably informed by Indonesian TNIAU sources that the order had expanded significantly, suggesting Jakarta may already be transitioning from exploratory procurement discussions toward operational force structure implementation. The strategic significance of the reported acquisition extends beyond aircraft numbers, because the J-10CE represents China's most mature export-oriented, fourth-generation plus combat aircraft, currently competing directly against Western and Russian fighter ecosystems across Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Indonesia's pursuit of the J-10CE also signals a major geopolitical recalibration, because Jakarta historically balanced acquisitions between Western, Russian, and domestic modernization pathways without heavily integrating Chinese frontline combat aviation platforms into its force posture. The reported integration of the PL-15E missile introduces even greater regional consequence because the missile's long-range active radar guidance capability has become one of China's most strategically marketed aerospace technologies following extensive international debate surrounding its operational performance during the 2025 India-Pakistan aerial clashes. Indonesia's broader Perisai Trisulan Nusantara modernization strategy increasingly reflects a defense doctrine focused on distributed deterrence, layered air denial architecture, and rapid response force projection across its sprawling archipelagic geography, stretching from the Malacca Strait to Papua. Jakarta's fighter modernization trajectory is unfolding simultaneously with intensifying Chinese military activity inside contested South China Sea zones near Indonesia's Natuna Maritime region, where overlapping economic and strategic interests continue generating friction between regional actors. The emerging Indonesia-China defense relationship is also being carefully monitored in Washington, Paris, Seoul, Ankara, and Moscow, because Jakarta's procurement diversification strategy increasingly influences broader Indo-Pacific defense market competition and long-term regional alignment patterns. Indonesia already operates a highly diverse combat aviation inventory, including F-16s, Su-27s, Su-30s, and incoming Rafale fighters, meaning the potential addition of J-10CE aircraft would create one of Asia's most operationally heterogeneous fighter ecosystems.